Hey everyone, welcome back to the Multi-Magic channel. In last video, we used Jenkins to build a Docker image and run it as container. So in this video, we will take the next step further. So we will push that Docker image to Docker Hub using Jenkins. So let's get started. So before we start pushing the image, and make sure you have a Docker Hub account created. But if you don't have a net, just go through the dockerhub.com and sign up, and it's free and quick to use this Docker Hub account. Now go to Chrome and type Docker Hub. So I have already have an account of Docker Hub. Now go to repositories and click a new repository to create. So repository name Jenkins demo. It's not mandatory. If you want to add like just is testing Jenkins demo like that. So if you want make it public or private based on your thinking. So present I am using private. So I have to select private. Now create. So once it's created, now we have to add the Jenkins credentials. Now go to Jenkins UI dashboard. So this is our Jenkins dashboard. Now go to manage Jenkins. Now go to credentials. Now click on the global. Now click add credentials. So kind is user with password and username is which is our Docker Hub account. So my username is and enter our Docker Hub password. Once enter password and we have to enter our ID. Now ID Docker Hub credentials. So remember your ID because we have to use in our Jenkins pipeline script. Later I will explain how to use. Now create. So if you see here, our Docker Hub credentials has successfully completed. Now go to Jenkins dashboard again. Now we have to go to the git bash. Means we have to update our Jenkins pipeline script. Now type ls and go to pipeline script. Jenkins. So in this script we have to add our Docker credentials and Docker Hub repo name, username and our repo name. Enter. Discord underscore and credentials. credentials ID, which is, I have already told you, which is our Docker Hub credentials. So this is our ID. Now we have to add our Docker Hub repo name and user. Sorry, we have to change Discord to Docker. Now it's perfect. Now go to Docker underscore hub repo name. Repo equal to, which is our repo name is, and username. So first username is then our repo name Jenkins dem. Docker repo. Now our Jenkins pipeline script is ready. So as it is same, but we have to add only two things, which is Docker credentials ID and Docker Hub username and repo. So once it's finished, we have to Control O to save, enter, and exit to Control X. Now we have to check Git status, modify Jenkins file, and we have to git add Jenkins file. Now we have to commit the code. -m add id to Jenkins file. Enter. Now push to our main branch. Git push all this in. Yes, our code is pushed to main branch. Now go to Jenkins dashboard again. So we have to forget add some things in Jenkins file. Now go to Jenkins file again. Nano Jenkins. Nano Jenkins file. There. So in this script we have to change just two things only, which is added. Now save the file. Control O, enter, Control X. Check Git status. So it's already modified. There is no changes we have to change. Now go to Jenkins dashboard again. Now we have to build the Docker demo. Click on the build button. Now it's time to start the build process. If you see here, now go to this and we have to check the console output. Also open in Discord. So it start running in our console output. Let's wait. So if you want more clear, go to pipeline overview. It has stages. That's way you can understand better way. So the build process has successfully completed. Now go to again one step back. We have to check in console output. So here build has successfully completed. Now go to Discord server. If you see email notification will Jenkins job has successfully done. Also we got the email. Now go to Docker Hub account and go to repositories. If you see this is my username and we have to create repo and this is our image in repositories. So we have successfully pushed our Docker image to Docker Hub. Now if the repository is public, everyone can pull and use the image just by using the image name. But it's private repository, like in our case, only users who are logged in and have access can pull or view the image. So that's it. We have successfully pushed our Docker image to a private Docker Hub repository and keeping it secure and ready for use in our future deployments. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I am Manoj and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.